Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of Bayside Bakery. I'm Audrey.
And I'm Joshua.
Today we are going to be making Ghirardelli triple chocolate brownies.
That's 3 different types of chocolate chips.
Okay, so everyone, here's what you're going to need for these Ghirardelli triple chocolate premium brownie mix.
That's 3 kinds of chocolate chips.
Here's what you're going to need.
Audrey?
For 16 brownies, you need an 8x8 pan, a 9x9 pan, or a 11x7 pan. You will also need 1 pouch mix, 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg.
Step 1. Preheat oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare baking pan by lightly greasing or spraying with non-stick cooking spray. Step number 2. Place water, oil, and eggs in medium bowl and stir until fully mixed and brownie mix. Stir until well blended. Spread in prepared pan. Step 3. Bake as directed below. For glass pan, add 5 minutes to bake time. Cool completely in pan before cutting.
The bake time will be 45 to 50 minutes.
The most important part before making the food is wash your hands.
325 degrees Fahrenheit.
And as always, make sure you have a adult supervising you for anything that might injure you and is dangerous.
What?
Alright, who's ready to make brownies?
I am!
Let's get started then. Alright, so place water, oil, and eggs in a medium bowl.
Here goes the oil.
And with the water. And last but not least, the egg.
There we go. Time to mix. Now, first we're going to pull this down in, or you can whisk it without this. And now to lock it in. And now, that's stirring. Okay, now that is looking good. Now we're going to put in the mixer and lock it. Now to turn on the mixer. Ooh, that's neat. Now that is a lot of chocolate. Now look at all that chocolate in there. It's even dripping off that. Okay, now time to put this little cup right here so it drips into the cup that the egg was in. But don't worry, it doesn't have any gooiness. Now, to spread, now it says to take out all this chocolate and spread it evenly inside of the prepared pan.
Looks like a job for a spatula.
But first, we're gonna need some spray so it doesn't stick.
What?
I got myself some non-stick spray, and now to spray it onto the pan.
What?
Gonna get a bit more.
Now let's spread that around. Here we go. It doesn't really spread that well. Should I use the spatula, guys? Nope. Here goes nothing.
Then we're gonna have to use a different spatula though.
Well, the chocolate's going on it anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, but Audrey, you really want all of that? You're putting a lot on that spatula. In my opinion, I think we should use another spatula because if we got all of that on the chocolate, man, the chocolate would not taste good and it wouldn't even be good.
I know that Joshua had a problem with using the same spatula, but I think it's fine because we're gonna put the chocolate on top of it anyways. So why not? It doesn't really matter that much, does it? Because it's chocolate and just spray to keep it off. Now the fun begins.
Putting the chocolate in the pan.
Okay? Okay. Oh wait, don't. Just wait. Now it's time to put it in the oven. Safety first, Audrey. Alright. Thanks, Josh. And remember, always get help from a parent before doing anything that might injure you.
Correct. Now to put it in the oven. And for a glass pan, add 5 minutes to the bake time, but we don't have a glass pan, so we're not adding 5 minutes. So we're only going to do 45 to 50 minutes.
Let's start with 45. So far, my favorite part was doing the chef's privilege because that chocolate was so delicious.
My favorite part is I actually have more than one. Mine was the chef's privilege because I love the chocolate chips. And the second one was actually putting all of the chocolate in because that's the part where it feels like you're making the whole brownie right there.
Exactly. Now set the time.
I got it.
All right.
Okay, let's see here. We're going to go on bake because we're baking.
No, timer. Remember?
Oh yeah. Now let's see here. Aha. Thanks, Audrey.
You're welcome.
Make sure to always help someone if they need it. And now we're going to go to 45 minutes.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay.
But if 45 doesn't work, go with 5 more minutes to get to 50. And now the timer has started.
See you when they're done. And now to recognize a real bakery, Heavenly Pies from the Heart.
With our friends Doug and Tanya who work there. You can find them on Facebook and on Google, and you can order from there.
Their pies are absolutely delicious.
So order now from Heavenly Pies from the Heart.
Ba-ba-ba. Welcome back to Bayside Bakery.
Let's see how those brownies are doing.
Grab a toothpick and let's get going. Very carefully now. Make sure you have an adult supervising you. Alright, I'll take it out. I have the oven mitt. Alright, stick it in. Pull it out. Now let's feel this. Feels toasty. And it has some chocolate on it too. So these are going to be some really delicious.
Okay, let's see how they're doing with my toothpick. That's perfect.
Alright, let's do 5 more minutes.
Let's check on those brownies again. Okay. Be sure not to burn yourself, Audrey.
I won't burn myself, but thanks for notifying me.
That is perfect.
Let's take these out very carefully now. Up and excuse me, please get away. Thank you. Then onto our cooling rack. Once these are cooled, we will give it to the judge.
Can you?
See you later. Great news, the brownies are done and it's time to cut.
Audrey, you first.
Okie dokie. Now comes the best part about making brownies.
Eating them.
Alright. Let's get into this. I'm gonna start with this one. It looks pretty good. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay. Aha, there's one.
Great job, Audrey.
Thanks. I got the corner. This one will be sort of hard because you have to go on the sides here.
Which is really thick.
Wow, this one's hard.
Do you need any help?
Well, they're coming apart, so I guess I'll just do a different one. What do you guys think?
Sure. I think we should. Don't you guys think?
These brownies are sort of coming apart. They're really gooey and delicious. It looks like. Oh, that one will be different.
Let's just grab one